Left side, slow down. Team leader, you should be communicating that.
Today we are running lanes, and right now we are at the attack lane. Well, the importance of this training and FTX as a whole would be just to prepare cadets to going into their 3-year as MS3s who may have missed their first year, or just to give cadets more of an overall understanding of what they're doing and how to better understand all of this. I think it's done a really good job of not only teaching us tactics and running lanes and that sort of thing, but also just giving cadets an overall view of what it's going to look like in the future. It's a very different lifestyle, and I think it does a very good job of introducing that. I mainly joined ROTC for the challenge. I've also just always had it instilled in my heart that I wanted to serve my country, and so I decided ROTC would be the best way for me to do that, as well as get my college education. I have felt that the Lord has instilled on my heart that I should serve my country, and so every day I wake up and I say, thank you, Lord, for another day, and let's get it done.